Let's go. Hello. This is my best friend Savannah. This is Gimli. And this is all my best friends. Someone is we are best friends. Yeah. We all are best friends.
So guys, I say go to Devi Gau. This kangaroo, she's Isabella.
Why are you so sorry?
Okay, where guys?
सबै कुरा याद गर्नु यसले लेख्नु पर्छ
Next is over here. Where yellow?
Some rocks down. Glide.
Actually, just stop blocking the cap. And then this is Susila ma'am, that's Radhika ma'am, and this is Eva. And we got a Kusin over here. Oh, okay. This is okay. Okay, you can.
Oh, what?
Guys,
Parking.
I think that we just come here in class 2.
By the way, did you see that? It says parking on the pole.
Now, your own brother. Comes your own brother.
No, this is parking.
I'm recording. So guys, kita यहाँ को view. Oh. यहाँ छ दिदीमा. Hello.
Stop showing me.
Hello. This is my phone.
Hey, you want to be in the
Vlog, okay? So.
Stop.
So what is this? Stop there.
What's up?
Hey, stop! You're blocking the view. Kusin,
What?
say hi. Hi. That's all you got? Hey, not the cat. And then, Ivan, what you want to say?
Nothing, Nana.
What do you want to say? Not, oh, hello, okay. What about you, Sushank?
Oh my God, we're walking now. Go! Yay!
Okay, give me that. Show them.
Give me that.
Alright. Everyone, the vlog is done. Okay, bye.